So if we talk about the field of finance, if you are able to, sitting in India, enjoy the gold standard the world over in finance, that's the CFA program. What is not in the program? Mani, you would be awed by the fact that when I start teaching the CFA program to class 12 passed out kids, in the very first class, we are able to talk about what's practically happening in the markets. मतलब all the classes obviously are not on YouTube. 2-3 classes YouTube पे है, but उसके आगे की classes जो class 12 के बाद के students के लिए भी हुई है. What are we not talking about? We are talking about what Hindenburg did with Adani. Why did they do? What's the implication in the context of the curriculum? We are talking about what's going on in US, as in the fact that US is enjoying a Goldilocks scenario. You have low inflation, at the same time you have high growth, at the same time you have low unemployment. If we talk about A's current situation, but where are we headed towards? Okay, geopolitics. We talk about the fact that Indian markets में large cap, mid cap, small cap companies में क्या froth है, ठीक है, whether they are overvalued, whether they are undervalued. Bond yields India में कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Currency rupee per dollar, okay, where is it headed towards? We use statistics, we use economics, we use financial statement analysis for the purpose of studying equity markets. कौन सा share multi-bagger है? If there is a company in the pharmaceutical sector which is discovering a particular patent, it has got a approval from the FDA, from the US regulator. In that case, what prospects does it have? Okay, what type of FDI investments are taking place in India? What are FPIs thinking about when it comes to India? How can you manage your wealth in such a manner that you grow on a risk-adjusted basis such that you double your wealth in every 3 years, 3.5 years? Matlab, it's phenomenal.